Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your secretarial practice class 12th standard. As you can see this slide, today we people are on the lesson number 11. So today we are going to start the new lesson. Lesson name is financial market. So what is today's topic? Today's topic is related to the introduction of the financial market, where we will complete the introduction and the meaning of the financial market. And the next topic is related to the function of the financial market. Before starting this paragraph, we must be aware about the market, as we already know that the market is a place where the buyer and the seller both can come together for their financial need. So financial market is a place where financial instrument and the securities can be sold or be bought. Financial market helps to mobilizing the savings and convert them into the useful investment. So let's read the paragraph first. Introduction. In an economy, there are many individuals, corporate sectors and the government. Those who have the excess fund, they can invest it and can earn the profit. They will be called as the investor. On the other hand, the businessman, corporate sector and the government, which may need the funds, they will call as the borrower. So lender will be investor and borrower means those who have the need of the fund. The investor lend money to the borrower through a market. Which market? That market is called as the financial market. Now what is the meaning of the financial market? A financial market is a market or a place where the financial assets and the securities can be exchanged, bought and sold. So financial market helps to mobilizing the savings and then convert into the investment. So thus the financial market play an important role and act as an intermediary between the investor and the borrower. Financial instruments are documents in the form of the legal agreement between the two parties having a monetary value. It represents a financial assets from the one party and the financial liabilities from the another party. In the financial market, the securities like the shares, bond, debentures, derivatives, commercial paper, etc. and the other financial instrument can be bought and sold. So let's read the function of the financial market. First point, transfer of the resources. That means the financial market provide the facilities to transfer the economic resources from lender to the productive buyer. Second point, productive usage. Financial market also allow the productive use of the fund. The investor, those who have an excess fund, they can earn the money and the borrower can use these funds for the productive purpose. So both they have an option, they can come together to the financial market. One can borrow the money and another can lend the money to the needy person. Third point, enhancing income. This is the market which helps to investor to get the interest or the dividend on their investment. So it is lead to the increase the national income of the country. So point, capital formation. As we already know that capital formation means create the new capital from the limited resources. So financial market also provide a channel, a way where the savings flow to the industry, to the commercial organization in form of the capital. This lead the capital formation. That means whatever the savings a person have, that can be utilized for the productive way. Fifth point, price determination. As we already know that market is depend on the demand and supply. So as it is, financial market is also depend on the demand and supply. So how you will decide who are the supplier and who are the buyer? Let's read the paragraph. The financial instrument traded in the financial market get their prices from the mechanism of the demand and the supply. The investor will be called as the supplier, who supply the funds to the corporate sector, and the interaction between the two and the other market factor will help to determine the price. Next point, sales mechanism. Sales mechanism means sales strategies. So financial market also provide a mechanism for selling of financial assets and the securities by an investor and provide the benefit of the liquidity of these such assets. Seventh function for the financial market, mobilizing the fund. Mobilizing means to organize and to prepare the fund. Idle funds in the hand of the investor can be used as the productive way through the corporate sector. So the investor, those who have a saving, must be linked with the corporate that require the investment. So the funds can be transferred from the investor to the corporate sector. The financial market enable the investor to invest their saving according to their choice and the risk assessment. This will utilize the idle funds like the savings, whatever the savings investor they have, they can use in the productive way and they can earn the money, and this will also helpful for the economy. Number 8, liquidity. Liquidity means the flow of the cash. So financial market provide the mechanism for the liquidity for the financial instrument. That means the investor, those who want to sell their financial instrument, and they can easily convert their security, they can easily convert their instrument into the cash. So this is an important factor for the investor who do not want to invest for the long term time period. So liquidity means cash flow. So easily the investor can convert their financial instrument into the cash. Number 9, easy access. Both investor and the industries need each other. For the funding purpose, the financial market provide a platform, provide a place where both the buyer and the seller, they can come to each other and they can do the transaction according to their need. 10 point, industrial development. Financial market is also helpful to transforming saving into the capital corporates, and the funds can be used for the productive way, and this will helpful for the industrial development. So what is the summary of the video? In this video we have learned about the introduction of the lesson, where we discuss about the financial market meaning, as well as we have completed today the function of the financial market. There are some another function also related to the financial market, but these 10 functions are given in your textbook, so I explain it to you. Remaining topic from the lesson number 11 we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching.